It's an honor just to see her.
She's got stories, this one. More miles on these roads than I can count.
We'd be careful with her.
Okay, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the left.
It's tight. Keep coming.
Looking good on this side. Straps are all tight. She's secured. Keep watching the sides, slowly easing the winch now. Clear on the left, clear on the right. All right, she's down, secure the area.
Purips. The corrosion on the hood is extensive. We'll need significant metal work here. The driver's side isn't much better. The pitting goes deep. Okay, moving to the quarter panel now.
Got it. I'll scrub this seam right here. We are getting a lot of runoff on the mat.
This is worse than the photos showed.
Look at this floor pan.
Yeah, completely gone. All right, let's start with the big pieces first.
Hang on, this rust is serious.
Careful you don't strip it.
There we go. It finally broke free.
Okay, easy now. Watch the frame.
Sure.
Right here on the rubber.
Set it down slow. Perfect. Decades of neglect right here. This sludge is thick.
We're definitely looking at a full rebuild. The corrosion is everywhere.
We'll start with the teardown tomorrow.
All right, got the first one moving. Lots of rust coming down. Copy that.
Passenger side looks just as bad.
Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Got it. Watch the frame.
Clear on this side. I'm clear on the left side.
And I have the right side free.
All right, pull it straight back gently. All right, easy now. Make sure those shackles are fully seated. Got it, holding steady on the boom. Rear bracket secured. Ready when you are, boss.
How is the surface level looking?
Almost.
Look how well that's lifting off the casting.
This detail brush is working great in the recesses.
Okay, tilting it down slightly for the lower block now.
Bolts are all accounted for, boss.
Perfect. Let's see what we've got in here. That looks solid. Keep the coats even, team. We want full coverage on this subframe. The rear rails are almost done. This stuff works fast. Front suspension mounts are covered. These control arms look perfect. Check the ball joints. Flawless, boss. Ready for install. Rotor is centered and seated. Okay, I'm starting the bracket bolts now. Remember the crossing pattern. Caliper is loaded with the pads.
All right, steady pressure. Watch the alignment.
Centered, boss. Moving smoothly.
Good. Next one, please.
All right, slowly now. Watch the gasket.
Looking good, steady.
Yeah.
Gasket is aligned, clear. This compound is working perfectly on the window trim.
Careful around the edges with the buffer, we don't want swirl marks.
Almost done with this door handle.
There's a subtle low spot right here, still catching the light.
Got it.
Look at this nib right here.
Yeah.
Got it. Another one just above the trim line.
The quarter panel looks exceptionally smooth though.
Keep those strokes long and straight across the panel. We need this absolutely perfect for the jet black. Okay, easy now. Just a little more on your side, Lena.
Got it, boss.
Clear on this side. Driver's side is good. That wheel is seated. I'm starting on the windshield trim now. I've got the rocker molding clips engaged.
After days of restoration, the car looked brand new again.
Subscribe for more satisfying restorations.